Well, hello and welcome to Fundo Academy. We are now starting our first topic in this mathematics course. We are going to be talking about numbers. Alright, so we just want to look at a couple of numbers and try to see what they are all about. We're going to be starting with what we call real numbers with that symbol R right there. Now, you need to understand that all numbers that are measurable, all measurable numbers, including whole numbers, fractions, decimals, even positive and negative numbers, are actually real numbers. So when we're talking about real numbers, we're talking about all measurable numbers. Either they are positive, either they're negative. They could be whole numbers, they could be fractions, they could be decimals, as long as those numbers exist, as long as they are not imaginary, because the opposite of real numbers is imaginary numbers. But in our syllabus we won't be talking about imaginary numbers. We're simply going to be talking about real numbers. So all measurable numbers, whole, negative, fraction, decimal, are real numbers. Whole numbers. Now, whole numbers include numbers starting from 0. So we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going on like that. These are what we call whole numbers. Natural numbers. Well, natural numbers are denoted by this letter here, N, and these are numbers which start from 1. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they're actually whole numbers starting from 1. This can also be called counting numbers. Integers. When we talk of integers, now these are whole numbers which are also either positive or negative. So all whole numbers, including negative numbers, are integers. So we can have integers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is just a part of a set of integers. So we've got numbers which are less than -3, which are whole numbers, which are integers, and numbers greater than 3, which are whole numbers and which are integers. So all these we'll be calling them integers. Rational numbers. Now with rational numbers, then we are talking about numbers that have an exact form that can be expressed in as an exact fraction. In other words, they can be expressed as an exact fraction like a over b, where a and b are integers. So we shall be talking more on rational numbers in a topic that is going to come, but you just need to know what rational numbers are. These are numbers that can be expressed as an exact fraction or as an exact ratio, or in the form a over b, where a and b are integers.